joined here by Dennis, my co-host and social media manager of all the pages. Also, by the way, before we begin, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel and to the other channels. We really appreciate it. The support is very much needed at this stage. But yeah, today we're going to talk about why a healthy salad recipe is needed for weight loss. Basically, why you're not losing weight.
Yes, I think. Hi guys. Once again, welcome back. Thank you so much for this session. And, I'm also actually on my way to study, so these are very good topic for me. And it's, let me see, it's catching me.
Yeah, it's gonna become a Dorito, yeah. Nice. So,
Yeah.
so basically, the reason why you're not losing weight is not because you're not training hard enough. It's mostly because of the diet. Like if you're eating Dorito chips, if you're eating McDonald's, and if you're training, you're still not gonna lose weight. It's all about calories in versus calories out. And if your idea of a weight loss salad is like 3 sad lettuces or lettuce leaves, half of a tomato, that's basically sad. That's not a good salad. That's just sad. Right, so today guys, we're gonna teach you how to make 3 healthy salad recipes that are gonna help you lose tons of weight. And they're actually gonna be filling as well. And they're actually gonna taste good. And they don't make you raise like the fridge for chocolate and milk.
Yeah, and actually the last one might be the easiest of all the three.
Yeah, so let's go. Basically, salad number 1 is high protein chicken crunch salad. First of all,
Yummy.
yeah, probably the safest choice if you want like a proper meal instead of like just a leafy grain salad on the side. And you're gonna start with like a huge bowl. You're gonna add some lettuce and it's gonna be mixed with some greens. So like spinach for example, cucumbers, tomatoes, red onions, bell peppers. Damn bell peppers. Bro, I'm hungry now. Then you're gonna add the main ingredient, which is gonna be some grilled chicken. You're gonna add some sauce. You need to be careful with the sauce though. If you add like the McDonald's sauce, then basically the salad is just like it's like a Happy Meal. It's like a burger. So you need to be careful with the sauces you add. Make sure there are no calorie sauces or low calorie sauces.
Yeah, actually, which is very important, because one of the biggest mistakes people make with salads is basically eating a bowl of vegetables without even a protein in the bowl.
Yeah, exactly. And for the dressing, instead of covering it in like a heavy creamy sauce, you can mix basically these low calorie options, which are going to be Greek yogurt. They're going to be a little lemon juice, garlic, black pepper, and your favorite herbs. In Bulgaria, we call them like mashtaka. And
Mashtaka.
yeah, yeah. We call them like mashtaka and also sharanasol. That you can mix that into like everything you can think of.
Sharonasol.
Yeah. Damn, you pronounce it like a Bulgarian, by the way. That's crazy. That's crazy. Like,
And actually, if I tell you to pronounce a Swahili word, you pronounce like someone
no,
who
no,
has never.
say one, say one. Like, I'm gonna sound like the biggest Swahili person you're gonna ever meet.
Say Kingereza.
Kingereza. There we go. Yeah,
Ah,
yeah.
nice.
I told you, man. Like,
Nice. You're learning from the best.
yeah. God damn it. And yeah, if you wanna like
Anyway,
add some crunch to like the food, a small amount of seed nuts is also very beneficial. Can help your brain, and it also doesn't add too many calories as well. And now you've got like vegetables for the volume and fiber to help you with digestion. You've got the protein from the chicken and the yogurt, which is also packed full of protein and adds a little flavor. And importantly, yeah,
actually, this feels like you're taking a lunch.
yeah,
I don't know.
kind of
Yeah.
feels like a whole like meal. But now on to the
Heavy
second
lunch.
salad. Yeah. Now on to the second one, the Mediterranean chickpea and tuna
Chickpea.
salad, bro. I grew up on this, by the way. I grew up on tuna salad. Like, god
Yeah,
damn.
actually, I heard you saying these
Yeah,
ridiculously easy to make.
it's
Uh,
so easy. Like, alright, first thing you're gonna need is you take like a chopped cucumber, you take tomatoes, you take red onions, you take some parsley, you throw them into a bowl, you take some chickpeas. We didn't add chickpeas back in my time, but anyways, and then you add like a can of tuna or 2 cans if you're bulking. And suddenly, this isn't just like
but
vegetables anymore, it's just like a full on meal.
I know this doesn't sound like it's more of a vegetable salad.
Yeah, exactly. It's like the chickpeas provides the fiber and the plant protein, whilst the tuna gives you also the protein, but another strong source of like iron. And for the dressing, you can use simple stuff like olive oil, which does have some a lot of calories, but you can use like lemon juice, you can use black pepper, some herbs to make it taste better, and you can also add like a small amount of feta cheese if you want like more flavor.
Wait, can you make this meal in 5 minutes, if I may ask? Because I've never.
Yeah, you just take everything from the fridge and you just toss it into a bowl and you just mix it with a spoon. Boom, done. And something worth remembering is if you're trying to lose weight, salad isn't like a magical weight loss like meal. You're still gonna have to put in the work. Like look at me for example. Look at this. Like this thing is just fatness. Back in the day this was like muscle. I was just so fat I can't even flex it. It's Jesus.
Now you're showing off. Now
I'm
you're
not showing
showing off.
off, it's actually fat, Dennis. Do you know how muscular I was back in the day, bro?
Do you know even me? Okay. Do you know even me? I don't have that thing. I wish I had
Nah,
that.
but Dennis,
Yeah.
this back in the day, you could see like the tricep. You could see this was separated. Like there were
But now
veins
the
and
good
stuff.
thing is me. Mine can't move.
Yeah, I mean it is something. but yeah,
Yes.
vegetables, they're so useful to you. Because they contain lots of water, so you're gonna be hydrated. They contain fiber, so you're gonna be satiated because fiber is very beneficial to the gut. If your stomach is full of fiber, you're gonna be less hungry. It's slowly digested and it's gonna last you throughout the day. And you're also getting in the meal with some protein, so you're not gonna lose muscle and fat. You're mainly gonna be losing fat. It's gonna fill you up with a huge amount of volume as well. Yeah. But anyways, moving on to salad number 3, egg, avocado, and crunchy veg salad. And number
Wait.
3 is, yeah,
Before you even continue, do you guys eat avocados? Because
nah, they're so expensive in Bulgaria, Dennis. €3, 2 euros if you buy like a mushy one. €2 for one avocado.
do you know here in Kenya it's 0.01 euro?
Nah, that's not even fair.
Okay, 0.0. Let me say 0.09.
Yeah.
Oh,
Like I'm telling
Kenyan
you,
shillings is 30 Kenyan shillings.
Jesus Christ. So yeah, anyways. It's expensive
Back to
because of
salad number
corruption.
3.
Yeah, salad number 3. So, salad number 3 is basically the perfect salad if you don't have any cooked meats already. Also salad too, because you can just buy some canned tuna. You start with lettuce or spinach. You add like cucumber, you add tomatoes, you add like grated carrots, and whatever crunchy vegetables you have in the fridge. Then you add 2 boiled eggs. Just 2 eggs. I mean, if you're me, you add 4. And a little avocado, you know? Keyword, I guess, like a little. Because avocado is nutritious, but it's also calorie dense. Dennis, leave me alone. But it's also calorie dense, so you don't necessarily need, like, half of the planet's avocado supply in one salad.
Oh, and are you supposed to add maybe lemon juice, black pepper, maybe, and herbs?
Yeah, you can add those as well. If you want to make it more filling and tasty.
What about beans and maybe little yogurt?
Nah, I will not Greek yogurt. But beans, yeah, you can add beans because there are also a source of fiber and protein. But yeah, the should we talk about the but yeah, also here's the simple weight loss formula. You know, it,
So what is the pattern?
like
Maybe if because
yeah,
you
it's
need to share
really
the
simple.
formula. Because,
Like
yeah.
when you're building a salad, think about this. Think about like vegetables. Okay. Think about this. Think about vegetables. Think about protein. Think about like a sensible amount of healthy fat. Not like a huge amount, like a sensible small amount of healthy fats. That's the formula for building a salad. And you need to add like a dressing to make it taste nice. You know, so you don't turn your salad into too much of a calorie bomb because the dressing can add so many calories. So look for the low or no calorie option for the salad dressing.
Yeah, because you can absolutely take a bowl of lettuce and somehow turn into a 1,000 calorie meal.
Yeah, exactly. That's very easy to do. You just add a bit more, dressing, and boom, all of a sudden you don't have a calorie deficit. You have a calorie surplus, and you're gaining weight instead of losing weight. So very easily, oil, cheese, nuts, creamy dressing, and croutons can all add up very quickly. That doesn't mean they're bad. It just means that the portion size is too big. And the size you need in order to lose weight is just a smaller one. You need like if weight loss is the goal, remember that no individual salad is gonna burn body fat. You're gonna have to go outside and do some cardio, and then you know do some strength training to boost the muscle growth, and then add the salad.
So we need to ask our viewers which one they are choosing because you shared so much. And
Yeah,
also for you, because I also believe you in your weight loss journey.
nah, Dennis, I'm doing the tuna salad. I'm not even thinking about any of the others. Like the tuna salad is the one. That's goated. I've done that since a kid. But yeah, guys,
Mm,
please share in the comments what salad is your favorite and what salad you'd choose, or how you'd change the salads if it was up to you to make it more
yeah,
healthier.
personally, I'll go with the chicken crunch. Personally,
Yeah, you're crazy, but okay, I get it. But yeah, guys, leave your comments down below and let us know what we should focus on next, what videos we should do next, and yeah, please also don't forget to like and subscribe. We'd really appreciate the help, and yeah, see you next time.
yeah. Subscribe to our page and see you next.
Yeah, see you. Bye bye.